In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're refining a school project, a business proposal, or just sprucing up your slides for a big meeting, mastering these editing skills can make all the difference. So let's dive in and start with the basics. First, let's talk about editing text and fonts. You can format your text by highlighting it and then heading over to the Home tab. Here, you can change the font style, size, color, or even the alignment to better suit your presentation's aesthetic. If you need to adjust the placement of text boxes, simply click on the border of the text box. You can then drag the dots on the corners to resize it, or move the entire box by dragging its edge to a new location. This flexibility allows you to tailor the text layout precisely to your needs. Next, let's rearrange, add, or delete slides to keep your presentation organized and fluid. If you want to reorder slides, go to the left-hand thumbnail pane, click and hold a slide, and then drag it up or down to change its position. This quick method helps you ensure that your slides flow logically from one to the next. To add a new slide, navigate to the Home tab and click on New Slide. For more options, click the drop-down arrow next to it to select a specific layout, like a title slide or a to-content slide. If you find that a slide no longer fits your narrative, simply click its thumbnail on the left and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard to remove it. Now, if you're looking to change layouts and themes, you're in luck. You can switch the slide layout without losing any text by right-clicking the slide thumbnail, hovering over Layout, and selecting a new structure. This allows you to experiment with different arrangements to find the one that best conveys your message. For a more comprehensive change, head to the Design tab. Here, you can apply a new color palette, font set, or background style across the entire presentation. This is a fantastic way to give your presentation a cohesive and professional look. Finally, let's enhance your presentation by inserting images, shapes, and media. Go to the Insert tab to add these new elements. If you want to include pictures, you can add images directly from your computer or choose from a selection of stock photos. Adding shapes like rectangles, arrows, or banners can help organize information visually, guiding your audience's attention to key points. For a modern touch, consider adding icons. These clean, vector-based graphics can add a sleek, contemporary feel to your slides. By mastering these skills, you can transform a basic presentation into something truly engaging. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the content, but how you present it. With these editing techniques, you'll be well on your way to creating a polished, professional presentation that stands out. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.